Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters, and happy Easter to all of you. We have this Filipino idiomatic expression na hinihila na lamang niya yung kanyang paa o hinihila na niya yung kanyang paa. And when someone says this to us, or maybe when we say this to others, it implies that we've observed that such person is no longer motivated. He is just dragging his feet. Wala na siyang lakas, wala na siyang sigla, everything is routinary, everything is just mere cycle. Wala na yung apoy para gawin na ito. Today we've heard that this gospel of the road to Emmaus, and if you are to look at our Paschal candle, this is the iconography painted all over our Paschal candle, the road to Emmaus, Jesus breaking the bread with the two disciples. And if we are to describe Cleopas and the other disciple who was on their way to Emmaus, some 7 miles away from Jerusalem, parang Maynila to Batangas, something to that effect. They were dragging their feet. Saint Luke even described them downcast because they were disappointed that this Jesus whom they wished to redeem Israel died over the hands of sinners, and it's already the third day and the body is already or is still missing. Maybe they were dragging their feet all the way to Emmaus to find the respite and consolation from that place. But the catch happened when the Lord walked with them, when Jesus journeyed with them, when He opened their eyes once more to the teaching, when He opened their eyes and hearts once more that the promise of the Messiah is now true, not only from what you'll be hearing, but He now walks with you. And the story ended with them not anymore dragging their feet all the way to Emmaus, but on their feet, going back to Jerusalem, reporting the encounter they have done with the risen Lord. Marahil po mga minamahal na kapatid ay hindi lang po natin hinihila ang ating mga paa sa mga pagkakataong talagang nakakatamad na ang araw-araw, o kaya wala na tayong sigla gawin ng pang-araw-araw nating buhay. But sometimes let us also acknowledge that our faith too keeps dragging our feet. Kahit ang ating pananampalataya at pananalig sa Diyos, yung pag-asa natin sa Diyos, ay parang paang hinihila na lamang po natin. But this season of Easter, the risen Lord is here to cut this journey, to walk all along with us and encounter us for a renewed sense of our energy and passion. Marahil sa pagkakataon na hinihila na lang natin ang ating paa para magsimba, hinihila na lang natin ang ating paa para manalig sa Diyos, hinihila na lang natin ang ating paa kapag sa oras na tayo ay magpapahayag ng ating katapatan sa Diyos. Let the risen Lord intercept all along the journey when we feel unmotivated. And after that, may the risen Lord grant us a renewed sense of passion, of motivation, and inspiration from dragging our feet, from being on our feet, going once more to places where we can say, indeed, He has risen. And to the hearts of our families and friends, where we can also be missionaries, telling them, we have seen the Lord and He has been truly been raised.